Ebusha for my mama akwaba efa umbra Ghana and 7 TV GH message or like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification so that anytime you post a video with say we Sabeka be. Ebusha for let me also use this opportunity to say happy new month and thank you for your faithfulness and loyalty to Ghana and 7 TV GH. Ebusha for say Ghana the most confused set of people. Sankro for omo free omo the base for. Omo the most confused set of individual or the whole country anymore. And I will explain to you why. One kasa made the base for a Jacko any ninkro for one side. And oti bonso any ninkro for so no another side. Na minim de see omo nyina na omo free MPP mubum. Omo so omo kwa akoti omo say political party o say movement o. Na minim ne ba ya afei de omo kudin ho. Ebi mu ye the base Ghana first and I been so ye the base movement. Ana the base Ghana first and the base movement. Enti asem no omo ye ya omo court nyina wa asem ne ho. Na me wo court document no. And let me read a court document no. Base for omo plight. Omo see. The base Ghana first, house number BLK 829, Patasi Estate Kumasi, represented by Amankwa Gabriel, Alex Kofi Edu, and Mohamed Issa, versus the base movement, Tesano Accra. An action having been commenced against you by the issue of this writ by the above named plaintiff, the base Ghana first. You are hereby commanded to within 8 days, blah, 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 blah. Now let me go to the reasons for which Omukoy number 1, statement of claim. The plaintiff is a company limited by guarantee registered in Ghana as the base Ghana first limited liability company or limited by guarantee with the object of promoting economic development in Ghana. Ebushamfo, when you read this first line, she said base the base Ghana first, any political party. It is a man written as political party, a company limited by guarantee. So you know what it means to you. You know what it means. Limited by guarantee. And you register company and under than Crawford say a political party. The defendant is also a company limited by guarantee registered under the laws of Ghana as a base movement. Okay. That in the year 2025, different groups sprang up due to the political activities in the country. One of such group was the National Identifiable Group in Kumasi with the slogan Yewodom, while in Accra there was the base with the slogan Showdown. These two groups had a common objective to become a third force in Ghana and to compete in the next national elections in the year 2028. Hence, the decision to merge as a group called the Base. The newly formed group appointed some people to serve as interim executives of the association. That some leaders of the association unilaterally suspended the activities of the association, suspended the chairman, executive secretary, communication director, among others, and further removed them from all official platforms. Munya settle down na muye mu say. We na mu say mu pese mu go compete with election. It was no mu confused. Enti ene me mu say press conference bi a oti bonso any some nkrophobia. And mu gine mu a they still maintain say honorable Kennedy Ohine Japan e ka omo. Na adia me wan say ona Ken yo ohini Japan no. Or national brand. Or businesses are ne dim. I don't think say a group of people can just get up and be using his name, which can damage his reputation, and he will keep looking unperturbed. Me, on our Ken a me name no ebe me wan kakra. And I'm just asking myself, say, the base people are always claiming, say, who on Ken in Japan no, who na ba be my name. Why is it hard for you to come out and distance yourself from them? Honorable Ken. How hard is that? How hard is that? To the extent that these people are using your name to recruit people. Now, maybe say, if you are not involved and defrauded by false pretense, a crime. So why can't you come out, make a statement, and then we know where you stand, Honorable Ken? A lot of questions unanswered. And me, Honorable Ken, or experienced politician, he knows very well, say, adia oye no. The silence, no. A heavy effect. But I don't know why he's enjoying this game. I don't know.
The Bose movement, me say Honorable Kennedy Japan, Okahon, a movement, Okayahon. Onye ni move free mo. Etu Okayahon. Etu obi a na drum do bia no. Na so wo party mo. Na so party member bi ekuo kase bi te se base. Ese ye do o member bi. Na ye se be boa ma sa member na ba be president a. So ye amayoku a wadwunu mudo a obobon samama sa member na or go forward a to say emano. That's right. It is also yes our party na say we wadwunu say obeyi sa member no edia. Ye the base for say. So omutimi yi na dia. Ye bobo ye sam amawo. That's right. Na so omutimi di na dia. Ye be from mamunatu. That's right. No more you my as well. You bet them must say. Because Kennedy no. Yes, you are on. Yea, your mamma ni amane. Your person will be bedding here. Your cotseno. At your po, and maybe beba base. Your papa cotseno. That's right. I did not say on one casani fee and that's so. That's right. Asana ye yinapie. That's right. Esa ye ye ne ba be de ye. E no wa Ghana. What the country? Ye diagro. Adie no onim Kennedy na ni bra bre na. We e Ghana first o. Enye party bia first o. Me say ye die ben. Ghana first. Enye party bia first. Ye ni abre. What you say? Ya ka say. Every 1992 Ghana mamu sanya base ye hu no. E to de bia na party e fo no kasa titu MPP ni NDC. Obi aya o se yaso ansuo ani yaso ansa ani ehu de emodu. Base for de ye say from 1992 sa party mienu am yaso ansa sa jamamu no abo aduru ba bia kika bi kire wase. E to mo ba radio so na adani atamdie meboa. Atemdie kwa because aduru kika bi kire wase. Na amani hunu galamseya esensuo galamseya esenua enwamumwa ewu no omo ndene ho omo ba radio so a atemdidie ene kika bi kire wase nkwa esasa mamu na ede abuse bom afe ana omo ba be so a ensuo. That's right. Na mas ekwanya efasubu oman no bo na ombabu no omani so ati onsen anything that the base here ba. There's an imitation group calling itself the Base Ghana First, and let all of us be knowledgeable. the base movement was first registered before the base Ghana First. And legally, it is right because both are legal entities. But the base Ghana First was registered with a form of deceptiveness for other members who are affiliated to the base movement. And so when we came in, we sat down with them, and that is why they withdrew from the court. But as all of us know, we know that these political parties will always send moles among such movements such as ours.
That's right.
And so definitely, we anticipated some of these things. And that is why we have actually dissolved all positions within the base movement. And just judge for yourself. If I, Jacob Osei-Yeboah, and Dr. Oti Bonsu is leading the base movement, judge for yourself. Others, look at the national executives behind us. Some are former commissioners within our security forces. We have great colonels within us. Can it be compared with others? We have lecturers. Tomorrow you will see lecturers and professionals all participating in our work. And so definitely you could see that we are well structured and we know what we are doing. I say whether they like it or not, Kennedy Ohina Japan is coming come 2029.
Abusia enra a unprecedented flooding I see one kind. I kunkum nipa bebre. Ama nkrofo bi bra hwero mo adwapade e de o hawa bebrese ne abene abedua Ghana for so no this useless NDC government say you blame Cecilia Dapa na Cecilia Dapa anye hwe na you see NDC for it does appear say omo park and kind if you say omo ankasa omo budget am omo de call parliament ko kan ye ma Ghana for eti binum wo mu nim ne yewum efa aniema Cecilia Dapa ne MPP aban ye efa eye nsuyiri hu ensem ewo nkran mantem na meba be yusu omo 2025 budget ene omo 2026 budget they are exposing the fallacy, the lies in that accession. Meba be momo hu aniema MPP ye according to this NDC government ni omo choro show omo budget ni na masia ma mo hu ni NDC for by 1.5 years ni omaye afa nsuyiri hu nsem now over 2025 budget na na that's ro no NDC are buying in 2025 I admit say omo ba be no mo beto say MPP under the leadership of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia and the stewardship of Cecilia Dapa ebo adwuma ye pa almost say wo fe 2020 2023 2024 national flood control program now MPP investing heavily ye constructing new drainage system 46.97 kilometers aside the no existing drainage system we one kind no ye DCOT 1,000 kilometers NDC for nanka say no mutomu almost say na mu a MPP aban 2 year ana Cecilia Dapa ne di anim na boa ye minimize the economic losses associated with flooding na ehunu wo Ghana NDC for nanka say no mutomu e wo 2025 budget now over 2026 budget now I know na be hu ni NDC for ayafa flooding ho e won crime mantem na asefem in the entire 2025 NDC are buying and constructing even a single kilometer of new drainage in Crimantem. Kai hunu say under MPP no they constructed 46.95 and as a 96 kilometers of drainage system. But NDC in 2025 almost constructed even 1 kilometer of new drainage system. Now, ni omo ye in the entire 2025 and they say existing drainage system and omo yi near free omo de say oti mu I don't know can omo ye just 40 kilometers. Meanwhile MPP 1,000 kilometers. Like 1,000 kilometers. MPP 1,000 kilometers. Ye de say oti drainage system primary and secondary drainage system na 1,000 kilometers NDC are buying by just 40 kilometers pen on my you and you see currently o come budget in man Who any new program be a NDC for yaba eba be mo de aba o mo say o mo de eba be boa amensu yiri hu nsem akofom e won kramantam any other flood prone areas across the country. They haven't introduced any new program. MPP dia omo beto ye national flood control program na eno kra no omo ye kokwasa wo ho omo invest scan omo fa sika ne nko enti niasi won kran mantam ende e negligence of the Mahama administration. Mahama must be blamed. Obi obeka say blame Cecilia Dapa ebia sa any park no onimu nyansa ya to abama 1.5 years in yim ya do man sika ne resources nyina ahye monsa. Instead of say mo betu anamo na mo yiyi gata mu say the Mahama kasa promise ye bro wo opposition no mo anye ana sika no mo dey unnecessary things. Mahama dey top hard na mo bomu from ana mo dey ama gold board na mo wia Ghana for ene flood aba kunkum krofo mo ba be blame Cecilia Dapa or no or invest heavily. MPP are buying through her invest heavily to reduce flood issues. I won't cry any other areas flood prone across the country. That propaganda is not going to wash.